So, hello everyone, welcome to another video. This video, I'm gonna show you a troubleshoot for you to connect your 4K receiver to your R1, your VXE R1 Pro Max. I did a video of the unboxing and how to pair this device, but a lot of you have been commenting that you have been having issues with that. So in this video, I'm gonna fix all the issues, and if you follow all the steps and all the recommendations that I leave in this video, you will be able to connect your mouse with your 4K receiver or your 2K or 1K receiver right here. As you can see, I'm using the 1K receiver, and this one is the 4K receiver that you need, and this is an extra USB, the one that I'm gonna be connecting the 4K receiver. I'm using this so that you can see everything whenever I connect and whenever I disconnect, and this is your mouse, the VXE R1 Pro Max. So to start, let's put this image right there on the top so that you don't stop seeing me, and let's go back to the computer. So here we are in my computer. To fix the first issue, a lot of you have been saying that whenever you downloaded and you followed the steps on that video, you were not able to get your mouse recognized on the software. And I spotted the issue right there. Opening the video right here, you can see that I left the link in the description, and you had to go to the Google and search for Dragonfly R1. Whenever you did that, the first thing that will pop up is the VGN hub. After that, if you go a little bit forward, you come to the website, you click to the download, and then right here on this point, right here, if you see, the name of the software that we were downloading is the ATK V Hub. So now we're gonna go to Google on this private browser and search for the exactly same thing, Dragonfly R1 software, like this. And then whenever the software opens, we come to the first website right here, and we open the website, and then you see the website is a little different, but we come to download for Windows. You can close this pop-up, and then you come here to download. Soon as you click to download, it will open this place here. You see the name of the software now, it's VGN V Hub. We're gonna download this software there just to show you guys what is happening to you guys and how you can fix it. So whenever you come to download, it will download the VGN V Hub. And then you're gonna open the zip file right here, and then you're gonna click the VGN V Hub installer. Windows protected, you just click to run it anyways, and then you just follow the instructions to install the software. I'm gonna install it, and soon as the installation is over, you can click on run V Hub, and then I'm gonna click yes, and you see it opens the VGN Hub. Soon as you see it's a new version, and it's searching for device. Please connect your device. So this is the first issue that you guys are facing. As you can see on this camera, my mouse is connected. I'm using this mouse on the computer, but yet on the software it says to connect my mouse to the computer. So to start solving your issues, we're gonna start first from the software. As you can see, this software is different from the one that we want to download. I don't know why, but previously the VGN and the ATK, they were in the same community. I don't know why they separated it, but I'm gonna leave the right link in the description. So what you wanna do first off is not to download the VGN V Hub software. I know it sounds strange, but yeah, just follow these steps from here on. The first thing you want to do is download the ATK V Hub. So you come to your browser, I'm gonna open a private window, and then you search for ATK V Hub software. And then on Google you will see the ATK gear. I'm gonna leave this link in the description so that you don't miss it. And then you click on that first link. Soon as it opens, it will pop these. You just come and click no thanks, and you close this pop-up, and then you come to ATK V Hub desktop drive. You click on that, it will open this Google Drive pop-up. You don't really need to log in, you just come and click here. This is in Portuguese, I don't know why, but it will be written something like open the document directly. You click in this, and then it will load, and then you can come here to download. You click on download, and as you can see, we are downloading now the 80K VHub 3.1.8. I'm gonna leave the link for this in the description so that it doesn't go anywhere else and you don't download the wrong software. So then you click on download anyway, and then your download will start. So then when you download it over, you just click on this, you open it, and then you execute this file. It will ask you to install, and as you can see now we're installing the 80K VHub and not the VGN VHub. So remember, you need to install the 80K VHub. So you come to next, yes, and then you choose where you want to install this software, and then you install it. And soon as the software is installed, you tick this one, run 80K VHub, and you run it. You can allow it to have connection to the internet, and then you close this. As you can see, soon as the software is downloaded, it shows that my mouse right here is connected. You see the VXE R1 Pro Max is connected. If this does not solve your issue of connection, of not showing your mouse that your mouse is connected, you can also do this next step, which is if you come here to other settings and then you see pair receiver, you come here to start pairing now. And as you can see, whenever you come here, it will show you all the dongles that you have connected. Right now, I have only connected the 1K dongle. If I come here and I connected the 4K dongle, see what happens. It shows right there, VGN Dragonfly 4K receiver. Now we'll show you the other issue that you may be facing with your connection, which is, look, if I'm removing this 4K dongle and then I remove the 1K dongle and I put the 4K dongle on this port, see what happens. Nothing happens. For some reason, for this port, my 4K dongle does not read. So try to connect your 4K dongle to other ports of your computer to see if it will recognize on this software, if it's not recognizing on one port. So now I'm gonna connect on this other port for you guys to see. You see, it pops right in. So now I'm gonna connect it to the 1K dongle right here. Now that you have both dongles, if I want to change, as you can see, I'm using the 1K dongle. I'm gonna disconnect the 4K dongle. You see, I'm using the 1K dongle. If you want to connect your 4K dongle, you come here to your mouse, you click it, and then you come to other settings right here, and then you come to pair receiver, and you click on start pairing now. And then you connect your 4K dongle right here. And if you don't have two USB ports like I do, you don't need to worry. It will be something like this. It comes with this cable right from the box of the VXN. Imagine that it's this cable that comes with it. So you have it connected like this, and then you're using the mouse. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna come here, you're gonna remove your 1K dongle, connect your 4K dongle, press on your computer the enter key, and then you're gonna press tab, and then it's going there on the next step, and then you're gonna press enter. As you can see, it shows there that has started pairing. And then what you need to do is come to your mouse, press the right click, the middle click, and the left click, all of it, and then the pairing is successful. I know I said it wrong, it should be left, middle, and right, but you guys got it. So then you come to confirm, and then your mouse now is being used. As you can see, the 1K is right here, is being used with the 4K dongle, and the green light it's on. If you want to return it to your 1K dongle, you just do the exact same procedure. If you have any other issue connecting your mouse or with this kind of mouse, the VXE R1 Pro Max, leave in the comments below. I will be very happy to solve all your issues. And one thing I can tell you as a small feedback, these mouse have been shown to be amazing, and the battery life is another level. And yeah, I don't have any complaints of these mouse. So yeah, I hope it did help you. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and peace. See you in the next one.